Hello everyone, welcome to the how-to tutorial. For this video of how-to tutorials, today I will be showing you how to download and install YouTube Kids app. So to begin the process, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you are using an Android device, you need to open the Google Play Store. But if you are using the Apple device, you need to open the App Store. So once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar on top, and there you need to type in YouTube Kids. Tap on search. There's the YouTube Kids application on the very top. So basically, YouTube Kids provide a more content environment for kids to explore YouTube and make it easier for parents and caregivers to guide their journey through YouTube. For you to download this, you can tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. This video app is specially made for the kids with the parental guidance. You can see the application is downloaded. You tap on open, and with that, the process to install and download the YouTube Kids app is completed. So this is how you can download and install the YouTube Kids app. Hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe the How to Tutorial YouTube channel.